Hi guys, and welcome back to cryptochesterg. In this video, we're going to be breaking down Kaspa. Massive updates for this asset today, which I will be going through and showing you guys why this thing is exploding right now. We're also going to be looking at some trades for this asset and a little bonus on top of that, a massive price prediction to see how high this asset could be going in the height of this bull market. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Just quickly, if you like Kaspa, drop a little like on the video, because the more people that see this video, the more people that invest in Kaspa, the more people that learn about Kaspa, and the higher that the price goes. So if anything, the likes convert into investment for your bags. Okay, so Kaspa right now currently priced at around 10 cents. On the daily, we have seen a gain of around 7.43%. Very nice, very bullish, and the chart is looking very nice over the last day or so. Did see that high, near enough tapping that 11 cents. Not quite getting there, nearly getting there, but still at a market cap of around $2.67 billion. In the last 7 days, we have seen a gain of 7% as well, because this asset actually did start pumping before other assets in height of this run. Get ready for the monthly. Here we go. 71%. This asset is up. It was at a floor price of roughly, well, it bottomed out roughly at this area around 5 cents 30 here, and from that point onwards we've just seen absolute explosive growth here for Kaspa, so it's doing very well. Now the question that you're probably asking yourself here, if you're not that educated on Kaspa, is why is this asset doing well? Well, number one, you've got BTC that's absolutely exploding right now, seeing price $104,000 Bitcoin right now. So naturally, coins like Kaspa with the same sort of mechanism, it's meant to be a better blockchain than Bitcoin itself, and that's why it's quite a famous coin here, Kaspa. And that is why it's actually doing quite well, because Bitcoin dominance here is actually still really quite high. We're seeing a bit of a dip here, but with Bitcoin dominance being this high, if Bitcoin's moving quite aggressively to the upside, to the downside, naturally Kaspa will be following suit. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why it's pumping. The other reason why we are seeing massive gains for this asset, currently sat at the $2.68 billion market cap, is because Kaspa has just actually increased their block speed on their chain. Okay, now just for an example of how this actually looks, I looked at Mr. Kaspa here on X, and you can see that this is what we're looking at. This was the block speed at basically 1 block speed on the blockchain, converting to 10 blocks blocks per completely forgotten what it is. Block speed, blocks per second, that's the one. Yeah, blocks per second here that it was actually processing on chain. Now what you were seeing here is a massive 10x upgrade for the efficiency of the chain, making it easier to expand, easier to host more projects, and just better overall. Okay, so it's a massive update for you Kaspa holders out there. And also another very bullish thing for this asset that I'm sure you guys have seen already. If you haven't, this is going to be explosive, amazing news to you. While its potential listing on crypto.com could boost market visibility. Now, crypto.com is yet to list this asset. Binance is yet to list this asset, and so is Coinbase. Now, 3 massive tier 1 exchanges are crypto.com, Binance, and also obviously Coinbase. Now the fact that crypto.com is rumored to be listing this thing very soon, it's very likely that this asset is going to absolutely explode even more to the upside. Now, how high can this asset go? Let's get into the chart and let's really dissect as to what we're really looking for here from a trading perspective, a technical analysis perspective, to see how high this thing could go at the the crypto.com listing. Now let's start us off here on the daily time frame. You can see very clearly we do have a very nice clean falling wedge. Now falling wedges are 2 very clean trend lines. You can see we've got support here to the upside there, support again, support again, support again on this downward sloping trend line here, and then we've got another downward sloping trend line here on the top side, resistance. Now these are not parallel, okay, they're actually edging in toward each other ever so gradually, forming a falling wedge. Now falling wedges tend to usually break to the upside, and that is why we are seeing right now quite an explosive move to the upside here. We did see a little bit of a fake out here, coming down for that retest multiple times, and now basically what is meant to happen after retest, after breaking out from a massive trend pattern like this, testing lower highs here, and potentially invalidating them in the future. You can see here the measure move that we're looking out for here. The target price for this trade, guys, if you are trading Kaspa right now, will be on the conservative side up to the volume weighted ATR band here on the daily. That is 14 cents per coin, okay? In terms of a percentage move from where it currently is, very important, guys, it's actually a 40% move, okay? It's a massive, massive move for this asset. With the updates, with crypto.com, it's very likely this thing is gonna absolutely explode. If we look at money flow right now, this is this little pink line here. Money flow has crossed over into the blue side, and it's propelling to the upside very violently. This usually means it's gonna continue here, and we're gonna see a lot more money flowing into Kaspa. Stochastic also super, super low here as well, here on the daily, on the way up as well. So it's plenty of room for growth for this asset here from a technical analysis standpoint. And also, just to go back here and look at this previous run, you can see I've clouded off this whole area here, guys. This is actually a parallel channel. Now, this parallel channel consists over a very, very long period of time, okay? You can see we've got support on the lower side, we've got resistance on the top side multiple times here, again, support, but what are we seeing right here, guys? We're actually crossing over back into this channel, this area here, okay? Basically, this means that this is the support, this is the resistance. This gives us the freedom to absolutely explode all the way back up to potentially 20 cents a coin again, guys. That's basically, well, it's a 2x from where we are now, which will put Kaspa's market cap at roughly $5.2 billion market cap, okay? That is not the price prediction. That is simple TA and simple trades that we're looking out for right now for this asset. Very achievable. That's a 40% move up to the measure move completion here, and an 80 to maybe 100% move up to that 20 cent that we were talking about, which is the current high for this bull market here over on the Kaspa chart. Now, let's talk price predictions. Let's see how high this thing could be going. Now, people are saying this is a competitor to BTC. I think that's a little bit outlandish. I don't think that it's direct competitor. I know it's a better blockchain. It is. People say it's a better blockchain. It's faster, it's more reliable, it's more efficient, it's more sustainable, okay? It is, again, proof of work like Bitcoin, but it implements a ghost DAG protocol, okay? Which is something very, very interesting, which you guys, I'm not going to spend too long explaining stuff like that right now on this video, because you guys want to see a price prediction. Now, the price prediction for me for this asset would be pricing this at, currently it's 39th in terms of the cryptocurrency race right now. It is at a $2.68 billion market cap. I think in this run, very achievable target would be 50 cents a coin. I think 50 cents a coin is super achievable, and that would mean a 5x from where it is now, putting the market cap at roughly around a 12.5 and some billion dollar market cap, around a $13 billion market cap. Now, if you look at the market caps for the rest of the cryptocurrencies out there, Dogecoin, 30 billion, Cardano, 27 billion, Tron, 24 billion, 13 billion there for SUI, which is the price target that we're sort of looking for. If Kaspa is to run, the rest of the markets will be running as well. So it probably won't claim top 10 spot. It'll probably be in top 20, and it will be sat at roughly around a $13 billion market cap. How much does that look like in terms of investment from where we are now? It is a 5x, so that is a 600% move here on the chart, which we can easily plot in here, which will be putting us up to roughly, I mean, it says here 72 cents a coin from this current level, okay? Which is just absolutely crazy stuff there, right? Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, and whether you think Kaspa is an asset that you want to invest in. But I must say, guys, it's looking pretty good from a fundamental standpoint, a technical analysis standpoint. If you're not buying this asset right now, then what are you doing? No, I'm only playing. Obviously not financial advice. Go do your own research. But again, if you love Kaspa, drop a little like on the video, and also drop a comment as well. It does help the algorithm as well. But yeah, overall, guys, Kaspa doing super, super well. I do think that we are looking at another move very, very soon here in the next couple of days, coming up to the volume weighted ATR band on the 4-hour and starting this massive, massive move. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.